Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Math with Shelly. In this video, I am going to discuss the last two questions of higher tier paper math and for November 2023 Pearson Edexcel IGCSE. So the first question here is question number 23, and this question is based on the similar shapes, and what is given over here that the height, there are two solids, solid A and solid B. The height of both solid A and solid B is given as 3 to the power of x, and solid B we have to find it out. Then we have given another piece of information, that is area. Area we have given for the both shapes, and volume is also given for the both shapes, but it is like an expression. Now we have to work out the height of the solid B. Now if you remember the similar shapes, they have a relation between their lengths, their linear values, and then their area and the volume. And what is that relation? That the length of the first one to the length of the second one. Let's say the length of the second solid B is y. So if I square them, that is equivalent to the ratio of their area. So it will be 7776 over 486. And when you simplify this, you will be getting it as 3 to the power of 2x divided by y squared, and that is equal to 16. Now, on the other hand, this is one piece of information and one relation we have found out. The second thing is relation with the volumes. So if the ratio of these two sides are taken, heights, 3 to the power of x over y cubes, then this is equal to 8 raised to the power of x over 2 raised to the power of x plus 4. Now this is very important because here we have everything in terms of x. 8 to the power of x can be written as 2 to the power of 3x, because 8 is 2 cubed. So power x, then it will be 2 to the power of 3x over 2 raised to the power of x plus 4. And finally we can write it 2 to the power of 2x minus 4, applying the index rule. And here when you see this thing, we have 3 to the power of 2x and here is y square. So basically I can write from here itself that 3 to the power of x over y square is equal to 16, which means 3 to the power of x over y, that is equivalent to 4. So I can say that y is equal to 3 to the power of x divided by 4. This is one relation. Now another relation we got here is 3 to the power of x cubed over y cubed, and that is equivalent to 2 to the power of 2x minus 4. We can use these two things in order to solve our question. Basically what we are going to do now, we will replace the value of y in terms of x. So here I have 3 to the power of x cubed over y cubed. So it is basically 3 to the power of x over y and whole cubed. How can I solve it? It is 3 to the power of x divided by y the whole cubed basically. So it is 3 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x divided by 4 cubed. And if you simplify this, this is 3 to the power of x. How to solve the fractions? Division by multiplication. 4 over 3 to the power of x the whole cubed. So this and this will be cancelled out and we just got 4 cubed, which is 64. So from here it is very easy to say that 64 is equivalent to 2 to the power of 2x minus 4. And here this 64 can also be represented as a power of 2, which is 2 to the power of 6, and that is equal to 2 to the power of x minus 4. So I can say 2x minus 4 is 6. 2x is equal to 6 plus 4, 10, or x is equal to 5. Now once I get x equal to 5, I will substitute here because I need to find out y. That is 3 to the power of 5 divided by 4. So that is 243 divided by 4, and that is equivalent to 60.75 centimeters. Then the next question. The curve with the equation f of x 5x square plus 9x plus 2 is transformed to the equation this one by a translation of a b. So there is a translation in the x direction as well as y direction. So what is that translation? See here, g of x, if I say 5x square, here is 5x plus 4 the whole square. 9x is replaced by 9x plus 4. 2, it cannot be changed, but it has become 2, like 8. It has changed to 8. So that means, first of all, this is x and this is x plus 4. So this is f of x plus 4. But if I find f of x plus 4, so it will be 5 times x plus 4 the whole squared plus 9 times x plus 4 plus 2. But here we have given 8. So that means it is plus how much? 6. So that means this is plus 6 extra, and that is the vertical translation. This part within the bracket is showing the horizontal translation. And always remember, if it is f of x plus, that means it is the translation in the left direction. So our vector translation vector will be minus 4 and 6. So here we have to find the value of a and b. So I can say a is minus 4 and b is positive 6. Then we have the next part of this question here, and that says that y is equal to p multiplied by cos of x plus q, and it is going from 0 to 360 degrees. And here it is done, p is greater than 0 and q is given between 0 and 360. Now if you see, first if I look about this p is related to the amplitude, how far about the principal axis it goes up or down. And this is the principal axis, because it is, the graph is symmetrical about this axis. So this is my principal axis. How far it is going up? 3 units up and 3 units down. So p is, because amplitude is always greater than 0, so I got my p value as 3. Now normally if I draw one graph of what is it called, like one curve for the cos graph, okay, so it's normally starts like this way. It will start like from here, from the top value, then it will go down this way, and then it goes this way, and then it goes like this. It will go like from here, this. So we can see the actual graph is not the exact graph. So here what is happening, the graph should reach here at 360 with the highest value, that is the amplitude peak value, but it reaches before. So this is a translation in the x direction, in the left direction. And what is this point? Instead of 360, it is getting its maximum value at this point. So this value will give me how much is its movement in the left direction. So for that, what I need to do, I will be finding out what is this point, how much is the angle here. See, this is 270 degree, this is 360 degree. If I have to find out this middle point, so this is 270 plus 360 and divide by 2. So this is 630 divided by 2, which is 315. So this is 315 and this is 360. So this gap is 45 units. And because it is moved towards the left direction, so we will take it as 3 cos of x plus 45 degrees. So this is the movement in the x direction. We are going in the left direction by 45 degrees. So this is the equation. So this completes all the questions, and you can refer to my other videos on the same paper. I have given the solution for all the questions starting from question 1, and it will be given in, it has given in the parts, part 1 to part 5 or part 6. Thank you.